Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the air filter for your Honda Accord 2012. So actually it's located on the, if you look this way towards the car, it's located on the right hand side and it's right here. It has some clip on the side, you just need to unclip it down here. And then another one over here. Some more clips and then one bolt right here. Not sure if you can see, but if we just remove the clips, another one on the inside here. Just need to move it, and then you should be able to move it up. So we just lift it up like this. That's it. So that's how you can replace the air filter for your Honda Accord 2012. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.